Greetings once more, Seperate TV. So, today, I'm showing how to arrange, how me arrange my beats, you see it? So, first thing I do, once we finish my pattern, this is the video what we do yesterday, by the way. So, first thing I do when I arrange my pattern is go on the pattern. I'm not sure if you're not going to see this still, but boom, I go pattern, right click, and a right click, you're going to see the options come up, you're going to go down to split by channel. So when I split that by channel now, see separate everything what I do into a individual channel. Then now, I just mark everything and drag them into the playlist. Then after that, now everything line up. Mark everything once more in the playlist. Then I press Ctrl B to duplicate the patterns. So I duplicate the patterns to the length I want the beat to be. Alright, so that's too long. I want this so long. I want this so long either. Yeah, about that good. Then now, I start empty out the things that I'm gonna need. So we know, so for the intro, we have 8 bars. So I don't want the bass for the intro, I don't want the clap. The bell can stay, can take out the impact. Hi-hats definitely no. The wind part, we don't need that. Kicks, we don't need that. Alright, so boom. Yeah, for the first 4 bar, we don't necessarily need a kick. But then we can drop it. Yeah, so that. So we can use the woodwind section for the second half of the chorus. Then now when the verse begins, you know you want the verse for quiet. Then we can pick it up in the second half of the verse by including the hi-hats. And then just follow a similar pattern throughout. You can experiment as much as you want. For the bass, you can take out the bass. Yeah. So. And I only hear the problem with the chorus, right? So as a gross beat work, usually gross beat it half time. So like when you go through your beat, it a go time and I go half. So what you can do for that is go on your pattern, right click, you go see the options come up again, then you can go down a quick render as audio clip. I render that as an audio clip now. Can then replace it. Replace it and then send it to an audio track. So that the way we're not gonna have the problem with it being half time. notice me make the bass cut off right when the clap hits. So yeah, you can experiment and find the grooves, find things that work. But usually like cutting off your bass when something hits, like for example the kick hit or the rim hits or the clap hits, it is a nice effect. Yep, and that's it. So see you in the next one.